How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp Android. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To see deleted message on your WhatsApp, open up your WhatsApp application in your device. Now tap on the three dot icon and head over to settings. You need to select on chats. Tap on chat backup. If you have backed up your chat, there is no need to worry. If not, head back from chats. Then you need to select on the account option. Tap on request account info. Tap on request account information and request channel report, depending if you want individual report or a channel deleted message. WhatsApp will let you know once the file is ready to download. In here, you'll be able to find media and account info of your WhatsApp account, including the deleted messages. If this feature is not available for you, open up your Play Store. Search for WhatsApp and make sure to keep it updated. Also make sure that your phone is up to date so that it can support latest feature of applications. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.